Now see this question. Looking at this question, over here the bases are not same, and we can't use the laws of exponent over here because there is negative sign in between. So according to BODMAS, first I will solve this bracket, this square bracket, and then I will multiply minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 with whatever we will get after simplifying this. So let's start solving this part. So over here, you see the power is odd. When power is odd, minus sign will be retained with the base. So this will become minus. Now 3 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied 3 times. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 divided by 4 to the power 3 means 4 multiplied 3 times. So 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Over here minus. Again I am putting bracket over here. Since the power is odd, so again minus sign will be retained with the base. So this minus sign came over here, and I have given this negative sign because over here the power is odd. Now 5 multiplied 3 times, it will be 5 into 5 into 5, which will become 125 divided by 2 into 2 into 2, which will become 8. Okay, close this square bracket into. Now one thing you see carefully, over here the power is even, so you can remove the negative sign of the base. So this can be written as 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. Since the power is even over here, so I have removed the negative sign of base, and that's why this can be written as 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. Now coming back to this square bracket part, minus 27 by 64. Now see, minus minus, this will become plus 125 by 8 into, let it be 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. So over here now when I am simplifying this square bracket, LCM of 64 and 8 will remain 64. You can take out the LCM in rough, you will find that LCM of 64 and 8 will be 64 only. Over here I can't use laws of exponent because there is addition sign in between. So 64 stable 64, one time it will be minus 27 into 1 plus 8 stable 64, 8 time it will be 125 into 8 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. Now when I am simplifying this, over here it will be 64. Now minus 27 into 1, minus 27 plus, now 125 into 8. So over here 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16, 20, and over here 10, you will get 1000 into 2 by 3 whole to the power 4. Now pay attention over here, 64. You see minus 27 plus 1000. Among these two, 1000 is a greater number, and with it there is addition sign. So put plus sign over here. Now minus plus minus, so I have to subtract this 2. So over here 10 minus 7, 3. Over here 9 minus 2, 7. Over here 9. So we will get plus 973 by 64 into. Now I am simplifying this 2. 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiplied 4 times. So it will become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which will be 16 over here, divided by 3 multiplied 4 times means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 9 9 ja 81 over here. Okay. So now see, over here we got 973 by 64 into 16 by 81. Now this can be written as, since plus sign is there, so I am removing this bracket and we can write this as 973 by 64 into 16 by 81. Now 16 1 ja 16 over here, 16 4 ja 64. Now will this 2 be cancelled? So see, divisibility test of 3. So according to the divisibility test of 3, over here 9 plus 7 16 plus 3 19. 973 will not come in 3's table, neither it will come in 9 table. So this will become how much? 973 into 1. It will be 973 divided by 81 into 4. So over here 8 1 4 1 ja 4, 8 4 ja 32. So we got 973 by 324. Since this is an improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. 324 divided by 973. Now if you see 3 times, 324 into 3, 4 3 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 7, 3 3 ja 9. So see, it is coming 972. So over here 3 times it will be 972. So remainder over here will be 1. So this can be written as 324 over here 3 and over here 1. This will be the answer. So this can be written as 3 whole 1 by 324. Okay.